Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change shirt colors. Like it? Or so it's just going to be simple, and I'm using two methods for this video. The first one is going to be used on the shirt, which is going to be simple, but it doesn't work on all shirts. It's not sustainable. But the next one, which I'm going to be using for this, which you should watch out for, is exclusive. It works out for most shirts or most situations. So kindly watch to the very end, and let's get started. So what you first do is to duplicate the layer by clicking on Ctrl J. You go and click here on the brush tool. You have color replacement tool. You click on it. You set to hue, the mode to hue, limit to continuous. Then you select a color. So for instance, let's pick this blue color. Then like the brush, you can increase or decrease it. You can start brushing over the shirt. This is not. So you try the other mode and see. Now you choose a reddish color. Okay. So you can paint over the shirt. What you can do is you can select within the shirt area or just paint. So this one I'm doing it a freestyle version. You can take your time and go through it. So when you are getting to the corners, what you do is you decrease your brush size and paint over it. Okay, so simply this is it. I've been able to change the color from this to that, but in all situations, just as I used the blue, it wasn't able to work smoothly. The next one, which works exclusively well and more professional, is this. All you first do is let me hide all these layers. What you first do is this is the original picture. You select the background, and you know how to. You shouldn't. If you don't know how to select, I think check on my channel. I have a video on how to remove backgrounds, but I'm going to use the select tool here, select subject, which is in Photoshop CC 2019 and above. So my subject is selected. So what you can do is to duplicate, Ctrl J, and only the subject is here. And when you come here, you select only the shirt that you want to select. So you realize that I've selected here. The white is not selected. If your picture is more complex, you have to take your time and use a more complex way of selecting. So you can click on kill to find out what is selected and what is not. So you realize that the hands are also selected. The hands are selected as well as the other part. So I'll click back, go to the same tool I used, then alt here to exclude the hands. So if you want more detailed selection, you zoom in closer, click on your alt, or this place it should rather be added. So you rather click on shift. So basically I'm done with the selection. This is what you do. You can also click on Ctrl J to duplicate only the shirt out, so you have only the shirt, so that will work only on that layer with the other layers exclusive. So when you click on that layer, you go to image panel, hue and saturation, and from hue and saturation you click on this option, colorize. So it's very important, when you click on colorize, it adapts, so it gives you what, more professional look. Checking it out. So depending on the color you want, so you don't need to buy plenty suits. You know what you need to do? Buy one suit and we use Photoshop to change the color. I'm just kidding. So that's just basically how you do it here, and it looks awesome, like changing the color within the space of some seconds. That's if your selection is very quick. Just come here, image, hue and saturation, and you play around it, you know. Thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. I hope you found it useful. Until I see you in my next video, subscribe.